Ever dreamt of diving headfirst into the exciting world of cryptocurrency? Maybe you've heard of Kraken, that legendary crypto exchange known for its security and vast selection of coins. But hold on. Before you start trading, a burning question might be plaguing your mind. Can I actually use my trusty credit card on Kraken? Let's find out. Now, using credit cards for crypto purchases can be a bit of a minefield. Some exchanges embrace them, others shy away. Why? Well, credit cards are primarily designed for everyday spending, not necessarily for volatile assets like cryptocurrency. There are risks involved, like potential chargebacks and hefty fees. But hey, we're here to cut through the confusion. We'll delve into Kraken's official stance on credit card usage, the potential advantages and disadvantages, alternative funding methods for your Kraken account, and finally, some crucial safety tips to keep your crypto journey smooth and secure. Let's get to the heart of the matter. Can you use a credit card on Kraken? The short answer is generally no. Kraken, like many other reputable exchanges, typically doesn't allow direct credit card purchases. This is a conscious decision to minimize risks and comply with regulations. But don't despair. Just because you can't use your credit card directly doesn't mean you're out of luck. There are a few workarounds we'll explore shortly. Now, you might be wondering, why this credit card cold shoulder? Chargeback risks. Credit card companies often frown upon cryptocurrency purchases. If the crypto market takes a nosedive, you could potentially dispute the transaction and demand a refund from your credit card issuer. This leaves the exchange exposed to significant financial losses. Volatility concerns. Cryptocurrencies are notoriously volatile. A sudden price drop could leave you with a hefty credit card debt that's now worth significantly less than what you initially borrowed. Regulatory compliance. Many financial institutions have strict rules regarding cryptocurrency transactions, and directly facilitating credit card purchases for crypto can sometimes fall outside these regulations. Even if you somehow manage to use a credit card on Kraken through unofficial channels, which we don't recommend, be aware of the potential pitfalls. High fees. Expect hefty transaction fees, both from your credit card company and potentially from the exchange itself. Interest charges. If you don't pay off your credit card balance in full and on time, you'll rack up hefty interest charges, potentially eroding any crypto profits. Security risks. Using credit cards for crypto transactions can increase your exposure to fraud and scams. So, credit cards are out or highly discouraged. What are your options? Bank transfers. This is usually the most straightforward and cost-effective method. Transfer funds directly from your bank account to your Kraken account. It might take a bit longer than other methods, but it's generally safe and reliable. Crypto-to-crypto exchanges. If you already own another cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can easily exchange it for other coins on Kraken. Peer-to-peer exchanges. Platforms like local Bitcoins allow you to buy crypto directly from other users, often using local payment methods. Debit cards. Some exchanges might allow debit card purchases, but always check with Kraken for their specific policies. Stablecoins. Consider using stablecoins like USDT or USDC. These are cryptocurrencies pegged to the value of a fiat currency, like the US dollar, offering more stability than volatile cryptocurrencies. No matter which funding method you choose, prioritize security. Strong passwords. Use unique, strong passwords for your Kraken account and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for an extra layer of security. Beware of phishing. Be wary of phishing emails and websites that try to steal your login credentials. Only use official channels. Always access Kraken through official channels and never click on suspicious links. Keep your software updated. Ensure that your Kraken app and any related software are updated with the latest security patches. So, there you have it. While using a credit card directly on Kraken might not be the most viable or recommended option, there are plenty of safe and secure alternatives to fund your crypto journey. Remember, always do your own research, understand the risks involved, and prioritize security above all else. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.